I think we need some healing. How did I think moving on would help escape the feeling? Cause the thought of someone else getting what I was loving is killing me often. Can we please stop this? He might be good on paper, but you know I'm the realest. Oh, and if you're coming, girl, you know I could get you to double digits. So forgive me for all my mistakes, I need you back home. I know where we went wrong, you know where we went wrong, but we could build it up, build it up.